Chun Ye Kwai Le. Happy Lunar New Year. I'm pleased to send my warmest greetings as we usher in the Year of the Dragon. I wish you good health, happiness and prosperity in this new year.
We wish you a Year of the Dragon that brings you and your loved ones happiness, health and prosperity.
I just want to wish all Chinese people Happy New Year of the Dragon, and I wish you the best of luck in this new year.
I wish all of my Chinese friends and colleagues a happy, prosperous Dragon year, and all the best to all of you from me and from International Energy Agency.
May the spirit of the dragon lead us into a prosperous and harmonious future.
The people of Maldives join me in wishing you all a very happy new year. Xin Nian Kuai Le.
So I wish the people of China and the government of China, from the people of Pakistan and the government of Pakistan, a very happy new year. And I wish them success, I wish them peace, I wish them development, I wish them prosperity, and I wish them happiness. Chun Ye Kwai Le, Long Nian Taji.
New Year to the people and government of the People's Republic of China, from me and the people and the government of Vanuatu. Long Nian Kwai Le.
The Year of the Good Dragon, a symbol of growth, success, health, strength, and good fortune. I would like to extend to the friendly people of China our most sincere and heartfelt wishes for a happy, prosperous, and healthy New Year.
Happy Chinese New Year. It is a pleasure that I take this opportunity to wish you all the compliments of the season for the Year of the Long. Stay blessed and enjoy the holidays.
I want to convey to you my best wishes for the Chinese Lunar New Year and the start of the Year of the Dragon. The Dragon brings prosperity, luck, and power. 2024 is a perfect year to promote partnerships.
Le fête de Nouvel An chinois, je souhaite une heureuse et bonne fête pour tous les Chinois. Que cette Nouvel An soit une année de coopération, de bonheur et de progrès.
Yo sé que China como país, el año nuevo chino se celebra con todo y eso hace que el país disfrute y viva este año nuevo chino. Por lo tanto, desde Chile les mando un tremendo abrazo, que lo pasen bien, que disfruten y que siempre mantengamos las buenas relaciones entre Chile y China.
祝我的中国朋友们新年好，万事如意。祝大家新年快樂，身體健康，平安大吉。